Hello and welcome guys, it's me Juni and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you
How to link email with your TikTok account.
if you are interested in this topic, let's jump into the video.
For doing so, first you have to open your TikTok application. Then go to the profile. Here you have to click on the three lines on the top right corner. Then click on setting and privacy. Here you have to click on account. Then click on account information. Then click on email. Here you have to enter the email you want to link with this TikTok account. I am adding my email. After entering email, click on send code. Then open your Gmail. You can see your code here. You can enter code or click on verify mail. As you can see, my email has been linked to my TikTok account.
That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, check out this playlist. This will also help you a lot. This is me, Juni signing out.